Okay, question 8. We're making some traction here, making progress. For question 8, now that we have the order and the arrival date, we want to compute. There are times when you're given 2 days and you want to compute the number of working days between the 2 days, excluding weekends and holidays. What you will do, let's port over to Excel. What you will do here, you use Networkdays as the um, function, yeah? And you input here the start date, look at the arguments here, then the end date, which is the expected arrival date in our case, and then account for the holidays. This would give us, I want to lock my array here. It will give us the number of days. Now, of course, we can also, to get the number of days between these 2 days, just subtract them. This is okay, but it does not account for the holidays. So the network days, you put in the start date, the end date, and then account for the holidays. So this is much better because you actually want to focus on working days because this is a business data set, right? The goal is to derive meaningful insights for the business. And so most businesses don't operate on weekends, and therefore it's astute to account for holidays. So run this down to copy the formula. This would be how you utilize the network days. Let's look at the arguments. Again, 3 simple arguments. The first one is the start date, which is our order date. The end date is the arrival date or expected arrival date. And then the last argument is the holidays, and I have logged it. What I mean by log it is utilize absolute referencing, and we do so by imposing or imputing those dollar notations. You can do them, impose them in a number of ways. I like shortcuts. So for Windows, you can use F4 or you can use Fn plus F4 if your F4 is assigned to another function. For Mac, try F4. If that doesn't work, try Fn plus F4. If again that doesn't work, try Command T. Yeah. Let us know if anything is wrong or anything goes awry, and we would be happy to assist. Let's end here for now.